Okay, so, sorry, we'll get that in a minute. So, for 100, we're going to do 1 plus 1 over 100. Might be getting a little hard to read. But 1 plus 1 over 100 raised to the 100th, which is 101 over 100 raised to the 100th if you want to do the fraction. Or 1.01 to the 100th if you just want to understand that 1 over 100 is 0.01. 1 plus 0.01 is 1.01. Okay? So it's good to write it out this way. But it's going to come out to 1.01 to the 100th, which people are telling me rounds off to 2.70. Okay? For 1,000, and we don't have room to write that, I think you're telling me that this rounds off to like 2.717. Okay? Now notice that I had to add another, I added another decimal place here because it's going to be changing by less than 100th from here on. So we want to see what the change is. We're going to have to carry enough significant figures out that we see the difference. Everything rounds off to 2.72 starting here. Well, we don't want to write down 2.72, 2.72, 2.72. It doesn't show us that the number is changing. Okay? So what do we get for the higher powers? Elena, you're about to ask a question. At least tell me what your numbers are.
Well, when I got to 1 to the power of 10, it just went, this is all I got. It went to 1.00.
Yeah, well, okay, yeah, you got down to 10 billion.
Yeah.
Okay? If the number becomes 10 billion, it crashed your calculator. Okay? Now, it might not crash everybody's calculator. It depends on the arithmetic, the precision of the arithmetic, the number of significant figures it will return, okay? Number of bits that it's using to represent the numbers and all that stuff. Okay, so if you go too far, it's going to change, okay? What's the last number you got? For a billion?
It was just, well, I went to 1 to the power of 10, because I just did it that way, because it's so much easier to type on the calculator.
Well, you were using a billion whether you knew it or not.
Yeah, I knew it.
You get 1 point.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Hey, you're making me lose count. I'm writing zeros and you're writing zeros, but I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I better have 8 zeros there, or you're in trouble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're off the hook.
Okay, good.
You managed not to interrupt me despite your best attempt. Okay. And you get what? 2.7182. What'd you get?
That's what I got. My calculator wouldn't let me go any farther than that.
It wouldn't go past 2.718?
Wait, the last thing that I got for 2.7.
You got 2.718281827.
Oh, for 1 to the 9th, but not for 1 to the 10th.
I'm doing the 9th.
Oh, okay, I didn't know.
I'm not doing the 10th. I don't know what that comes out, but I bet you there's going to be an 8 here. There might even been an 8 there, depending whether your calculator truncated or went on. Okay, do we understand the process? Everybody getting numbers that get up into the 2.7s? So that you believe if we go up to the highest number that Elena's calculator will do, we're going to get this, right? Okay? Now, I want you to do e to the 1. You should have an e to the x button on your calculator. Okay? And if you don't, I'll find what you need, so just show me.